Hi, so this video will be about how we work with Zeek Analytics. This is Zeek. Zeek is a program that helps us to find items in bulk or not in bulk and upload them to our eBay store. So now in this video, I will explain you how we upload items using bulk operation with Zeek. So first thing we need to do is to go to the competitor research and just paste here a name of a seller that we already found. You should know already how to find sellers, so this will not be in this video. So this is some seller that we found before. Then we can decide if we want to take the items of him that got sold in the last 30 days or 21 or 14 or 7. This is the information that I will provide you. Usually it will be 30. We can do also 7. I will tell you every time which one we want. Then we can let's pick 7 for instance, or 30, and then we do search. And then we can see here all the information about the sellers, how many active listings he has, how many items he sold in the last months, in which revenue it's not really interesting, and sell to, which means sold items divided by active listings. So more than 30%, 30, it's really good. 160, it's amazing. It means that he sell very good relative to the amount of active listings that he has. We can also see the amount of feedbacks that he got, 1000. And we can see here all the items that is sold on the last 30 days. If we pick 7, it will be all the items that is sold on the last 7 days. All the information will be the same. Okay, so you see less items. So let's come back to 30. And then on the bottom, you can see that it's sold 198 listings. Few of them is sold few times. So in total, it's 709 items. So this page is good for us just to understand the seller. We don't use this page in the bulk operation. We use this only if we upload manually. We also have a video for this. So if you want to do bulk, all we need to do is just to search the seller here and click on bulk scanner. Then here we enter the information as we decided for every period. Right now it will be a minimum 1 sell, minimum price is 1, maximum price it's important to change to 2000 because the default is 200, we want more. And the minimum profit we will put right now will be 1.15. So you can just choose it like this. Let's say 1.1, let's say. I will give you all the information because all those numbers will be changed from time to time. And also you pick the date range. So 30 or 14 or 7, it also depends. And this is it. It should look like this. You don't touch this. You don't touch anything. You just need to put the correct numbers and click on scan. It will sync for a few seconds and then it got scanned. All the sellers that you scanned, they will be located here on the management panel, bulk scanner. So just be here, scan few sellers, scan like 10, 20, 30, 50 sellers, 100 sellers, as much as you need. And then you can go to the bulk scanner here and see all those sellers that you already scanned. So this is the last one we just put it. It's in progress. I already have this here, the same seller. So we'll go inside and see what we do after we scanned the seller in the bulk. We just click on this. And then we can see all the items that he got sold, the eBay image, the Amazon image, and then you can see the eBay title and Amazon title, the ASIN, the prices, the profit, and the amount of sales. So it works with Profit Scalper if you worked with this before. If no, it's okay. So what we need to do is just to check that the items are matched. So first of all, we can check all of those with the V, and then everybody's check. And what is not good for us, we will remove the V. So then we go just one by one. We see that the image is correct. Okay, so the image look the same. And then after we check that the image is good, we need also to check that the title match the item that we upload. So this is something that's really important to understand. If we decide to upload an item, so what we upload is the ASIN, okay, the item from Amazon. So for this item, this will be this item. We upload this item exactly with the title from eBay, with this title, okay, the title of the seller that we copy from. So this will be the title. So the combination is this title from eBay, and this title goes on this item from Amazon. So what we need to check and to be sure that the title from eBay that we copy, which we can see here, this one, it matches the item from Amazon, which we can see on the ASIN here. What I mean if this item is 19-inch and on the title we will see 20-inch, it's not good. We can see 19-inch, so it's good. If we see on the title blue, for instance, and then on Amazon we upload the red item, it's also not good. If we upload sheets for bed, and then here we can see king size, let's say, if it's sheets for bed, and then on Amazon the item that we upload is a twin size, so it's not the same. So we need to make sure that after we go over the item, we don't must to go inside Amazon and eBay, but we must be sure that the item is the same. Let's say here I'm sure 100% that the item is the same because it's really the same. I can see it's the same. Okay, here it's a TV, or it's a screen, it's a LED screen for a computer. So I need to be sure that it's the same size, let's say, because it looks the same. But then I can see here it's 19-inch. Here I see it's 19, and here also I see 19. So I know it's the same. So I don't need here to go inside Amazon. But let's say maybe on other item, I need to go inside and check that it's the same size. Okay, so we just need to be sure that it's the same item. If we are not sure, we go inside Amazon, we check the item, see that it's matched. Okay. If it's not matched, we can change it. We can click here, okay, and change. The title we don't change, but we can change the ASIN. We can change. Let's say it's not the correct one. I will show you later how we can change this. Okay, and then we go one by one and check. Let's say for this item, I'm not sure because from the image, I cannot see if it's really the same item or not. So I can just go inside eBay and Amazon and see if it's really the same item. So here I see it's probably all of these or most of those items. And here is like really different item. So what I do in this time, I just look for this item on eBay and I want to find this item on Amazon. So I can just go copy some of the features or some of the description, search it on Google and find this item on Amazon. So here I can see this is probably this item. It's maybe also not from Amazon. So if we cannot find, sometimes we really cannot find, it can be from other sites. So and then we will remove this item. So it's look like it's not this item. I really need to find those images somehow. So we will continue to search. Maybe it's this one. No, it's also not this one. We can try to search the title on Amazon maybe. See that you own all departments, and let's try to search this on Amazon itself. Also, it doesn't look like I can find this item. So maybe this item, it's not from Amazon. We can try to search again some other things also. Maybe this is it, or this, or this. Let's just open them and see each of them if it's the correct item. So this is not the item, also not the item. Okay, so I cannot find this item. So what I do if I cannot find this item, I will not upload the wrong item. I will just go here and click on delete and delete this item from the list because I don't want to upload this. Then we go to the next item. So this item I see it's set of 6, but here in Amazon I'm not sure that it's really set of 6. So I will go inside of Amazon, I will check, and then I see no, it's just one item. But on eBay, I see on the title that it's set of 6. You can see here. So again, we do the same. We just go, we try to find this particular item. Sorry, we go to eBay and we try to find this item. So we'll just copy some part from the description. Or from the bullets like this. And let's try to find. So it's maybe also, so I think this one is from Walmart. It's not from Amazon. So I see a lot of Walmart and I cannot find Amazon. I can try another time to search it. But maybe also it's not from Amazon, like the item before. And then again, we will just delete this. Then we go to the next one. Okay, we see if it's the same. So I see this one is the same. This one looks the same. If I'm not sure, I go inside and check because this is 110 lbs. And this is also, you see, 110 lbs. Let's say it's not. Let's say I want to make a correction. So what I can do, I can just go find the correct item like I did right now, copy the ASIN, go here, edit, and then paste here the ASIN and do this. Click on the reload, and then it will bring the correct ASIN. And then you can see the profit and the price. Do save, and then we have this item. Now, one more thing that's possible is that you will bring the correct item, you will find it, but then when you calculate, you see that we don't have profit. Okay, so after we bring the correct item, we should calculate that we have at least $1, $1.50 profit. This also can vary. Maybe sometime I will tell you $1, maybe sometime I will tell you $1.50. For now, it's $1.50 profit. So how we can calculate this? We can take the last time this item got sold, and this is only if we change the item, if we want to see if we have profit on the new item. Then I see that last time it got sold on this price, and this is the price now, so I need to take the lower between them, so 110.47. Then I open the calculator and I do 110.47 multiply by 0.2, and we got 19. So we have 19 to our pocket from the sale. The price on Amazon is 49, so we have a lot of profit. So this item is okay. We will upload this item. Then we go to the next one. We see this item. Yeah, it looks the same item. Great, we can continue. This looks the same. Great, we can continue. This looks also the same. We can continue. If we're not sure, so we need to check. This, I can see it's not the same, so I will try to find this item. I go to eBay. I will search this item on Google. From the description of the bullets, we'll find this item on Amazon. I think this is it. Yeah, it looks like this item. If you're not sure, you can see size 55-140. Here also size 55-140. Yeah, it's the same bear. And here now I need to see if I have profit from this sale. So now we sell this on 46.97. Last time we sold on 46.07, so this is the lowest. So I need to take 46.07 multiply by 0.2, and we have 37. 37, and we sell this on 40. So we don't have profit here because we left with 37 in the profit, but the price is 40. So if we'll do minus 39.99, we'll have minus $2. We will lose money here. For us to be able to upload this item, we need at least 1.5 dollars profit. Okay, so this item is not good for us, so we will go here and delete this item from the list, because we cannot sell this item, we will lose. We cannot be lower from the competitor. We always need to be lower than the competitor. Then we can continue. We see it's the same item. This is also, we see the same item. If we are not sure about the size, the 10 is 10 on 20. So let's go to Amazon. We see this tent is also 10 on 20 inch. Great, it's the same. We don't need to check more. We can continue. And then like this, we go item by item, see if we are not sure that it's the same size, same color, and so on. So we need to go to check. If we see it's not the same, we need to find the item to replace the item. Okay, and then we go like this all over the whole list. I will not do this now in the video because I think you understand the point. And then what we do, we just click on all of them, which is now a little stuck. Sorry, my mistake. We don't need to click on anything. Everything that in this page, okay, will be uploaded. So this is why we delete the things that we don't want. So after we show that everything on this page is good for us, we just click here, save on Yabale. Okay. Then after this, we just go to Yabale. We'll go to the lister, bulk lister, and do load from Zik, and load with Yabale default profit. Then all the items just came here, okay, with the ASIN from Amazon and the title from eBay. After this, we just do preview, okay, and now we have few mistakes that we need to go over. The only problem that we know now from Zik is that it doesn't see the inch sign. Let's say in this, you see the title is really messed up because instead of 19 inch, we see here 19 and a lot of signs. You see the title is normal, 19 inch, and here we see 19 and signs, 19, 0, 3, 4, and this. So we cannot upload this like this. So what we need to do is just on this page, if we cannot click preview, it means we have few mistakes. So first thing we can do, we can just search for this item with the problem. Okay, this is this one. And just instead of this sign, it will always be this, okay? From here, from this sign until this sign, okay? The numbers may be varied, maybe 034, 039, okay? But it will always be this sign. We just remove this and do the inch inside. Okay, this is the only problem that we have here. So we can just search, let's say, for this, and then we can see here again the same problem. This is, should be 10.9, 10.1 instead of this inch. And then the next one, it's here, same mistake, 17 inch. It shouldn't happen a lot, but it can. You can have few items like this from seller to seller, so it's important to just correct all of those mistakes. If you think you're done, you can try to click again on the preview. Okay, and then it says it's fine. All you need to do is to click on the allow Vero and list items. I will not do this now because I already did it. So just click list items and then you are done. And this is it. This is how we upload items in bulk with Zik. I will just go quickly again on all the steps. First thing, you go to the competitor research, you search for the seller you want. You check the numbers of days. You click on the bulk scanner. You enter the numbers as we decide. And you click on scan. After this, you go to management panel bulk scanner, enter into the seller you just scanned, and go one by one over all the items. If the item is not correct, you search for the item, you find the correct item, and you change the ASIN. You check if we have profit in this item. If yes, you change the ASIN. If no, you just delete the item. If you're not sure if the size is correct or the amount of items or the color, so you need to check this. If it's not correct, you need to correct this. If you cannot correct this, you delete this. And this is how you go item by item, check that everything fine. After you finish, you do save to Yabale, and then on Yabale you import this, allow Vero, preview, allow Vero, and list items. Thank you.